If I had to start Ozempic, Wegovy, or Mounjaro all over again, this is exactly how I would eat to get the best results possible. And in a second, I'm going to walk you through a full day of eating. But first, this is important. Most people don't fail because of the medication. They fail because of what they eat around it. Hi, I'm Coach Ivana with Regenics, and after working with hundreds of patients on GLP-1s, there's a very clear difference between the people who get results and the ones who stall out. So let's break this down step by step. Mornings. Set the foundation. Let's start with the morning, and in a second, I'll show you exactly what I'd eat. But first, what most people do wrong. They either skip food completely or grab something quick like a protein bar or a smoothie. That's the mistake, because your first meal sets the tone for your entire day. What I do instead: keep it simple, high protein, easy to digest, not overly processed. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, and maybe some fruit on the side. Nothing complicated. This is about giving your body a strong start without overloading it. Midday. This is where most people slip. Now here's where most people start to lose control. And in a second, I'll show you what I recommend. But first, here's what usually happens. You get busy, you snack, you grab something quick, and now you're eating all day without realizing it. What I do instead: a real, balanced meal. Protein first, then add in whole foods around it. Think chicken, fish, or lean protein, vegetables, and a simple carb if needed. This keeps you full longer and prevents that constant need to snack. Afternoon, the trap window. This is the danger zone. And if you've watched the rest of the playlist, you already know this is where people start to slip. Energy drops, cravings kick in, and snacking starts. What I do? Honestly, nothing. If I'm not hungry, I don't eat. This is where GLP-1 actually does its job. You don't need to force food in. Nighttime, where results are won or lost. This part is critical. And in a second, I'll show you how I'd handle dinner. But first, this is where most people sabotage everything. Even if the whole day was perfect, this is where it falls apart. What I do instead? Keep dinner simple. Again, protein, whole foods, and nothing heavy, nothing excessive. And most importantly, I stop eating at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. And if you fix just this one thing, you'll notice a difference fast. Core principle. This isn't about being perfect, it's about being intentional. GLP-1 reduces hunger. Your job is to stop overriding that signal. And to make this easier, we put together a free guide that breaks down exactly what to eat and what to avoid on GLP-1 medications. You can download that below. And if you're just getting started, go watch this video next. Stop eating these foods on Ozempic and Mounjaro, because that's where most people go wrong first. Get this right, and everything else becomes easier.